welcome to another video from the bank with Dante. Today we're at Throop fishery on the mill pond, and I'm in a swim that I call Roach Corner because just out in front of us it's quite deep, but there is always big shoals of roach, ruds, and also we're next to the weir that flows into it. There's always a few bream around there, so I have got my feeder tactics, so I might go on that later. But until then I've just got a float rod. I did a £6 mating line on a small reel. Comes down to a wagted float on size 16 float. Size 16 hook, I mean. And I've just been feeding some maggots for the last few minutes, and I've seen lots of roach near the surface, so I'm definitely hopeful for a bite. So I'm just gonna put some maggots on the hook, and then I'm gonna get out the first cast of the day. Right, so I'm using a size 16 hook, and I'm just going to put on, I think, 3 maggots. There's a lot of minnows here, so I want the maggots to stay on without them pecking of the minnows. Put on a few. Hard one on. Right, now let's see if we can grab ourselves a bite. I think they actually should be quite quick. I've seen loads and loads of roach chopping. See them a lot near the surface, really well. I think I might have fish on them. See them. See that? Already pulled 2 of the maggots off the end. So there's lots of fish there, but I think I need to have the maggots much more on the hook rather than just lightly hooked. I do have artificial maggots with me, so if they keep pecking it off, that's my hook bait. So walk down, and it's quite hard to cast, so I think it's quite good. Oh, yep. First fish of the day, and it's a minnow. That's the problem with this place. There is millions and millions of minnows, but lovely little minnow. I'll only put the roach in the keep net, so I'll just. Well, I dropped them in the keep net anyway, so put a few more maggots on and hopefully catch some more fish. Right. Well, hi viewers, we didn't catch anything on the float. What we did, we just caught lots of minnows. So clicked up just out there to the reeds on a feeder and try and catch some of the massive bream. So the average size of bream in here is actually between 4 and 7 pounds. It is a really good size bream. So I'm just going to mix up my ground bait. I've got a bit of leftover census ground bait here. I'll tickle that in. Then I'm going to take some of the redfish ground bait. Put a load of that in. Good enough. Mix all that up so it's a bit of a lighter colour. A bit more in there. Mix all that up nice and thoroughly. Now I'm going to take some pellets, little 2mm pellets. Loads of those lovely casters to easily grab around them. And then mix all those up. Now I'm going to take some casters, just a handful of them. And now your mix will look like that. So now I'm going to add lots of water to that and mix it all up thoroughly. That's all draining in. I want to add quite a lot of water to this because I want it quite a sticky mix because it's quite deep and I want all the ground bait to get down to the bottom. Mix all that up thoroughly. It's not even half the amount of ground water I need. Load it. This redfish absorbs an awful lot of water quite quickly, so it's well, hi viewers, I've mixed up my ground bait and I've actually put about 6, 7, 8 feeders out full of it. And the feeder I'm using is the Corum 3-ounce mesh feeder, and it's on a running rig on a feeder bead down to a Drennan feeder swivel stop, down to a size 14 hook to nylon with a piece of corn and 2 maggots. So get this out there, big lots of cascals, red ground bait. Shouldn't be too long before I hook a big green hopefully. And there we are. Luckily, hopefully, should not be too long before I get a bite now.
2.
Hi viewers, I've just had quite a real nice pull round and I'm hooked into a big fruit bream. Right run around actually. It feels more, there is actually quite a lot of carp and tench there. It feels like tench or something, but it can't be a tench. Not that many in here. It's going to be second fish I've hooked today. And it's whatever it is, it's a decent.
Do you want to?
Oh my God, that's a big perch. It is a massive, massive perch. God! No. Get him! Oh my God, that's a massive, massive, massive. That's 2.5 pounds easy. What a fish! Whoa! Hi viewers, got it in. What amazing, what a fabulous perch. This is a fish to remember. One downside, I forgot my scales. I don't think it's a record for this stretch. I think it's about 3 pounds. But look at the pure size of that thing. We'll get one still and put her straight back. Right. There we go. Put it back. Well, this is definitely a PB perch for me because my PB is about 1.5 pounds. But let's. Oh my God, the water's freezing cold. I won't put her in the keep net. Whoa! Now look at that. You can see it in the water. A big old perch, I would say 2.5, 3 pounds. That has made my year. What a fish! Wow! hours and we've had a really good day. As you can see, we're back in the car now, driving home. But I've had a £3 plus PB perch. I didn't have the scales really downsidingly, but had a really good day. PB perch, got some really amazing footage from lovely robins. But we're heading home now. I recorded You've Been Framed yesterday, so I'm going to go home and watch that. But I'll see you back on the bank again